Could the very tools we've designed to simplify our lives end up complicating them instead? That's the pressing question posed by the rise of artificial intelligence. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of AI, a realm where reality often reads like science fiction. The emergence of AI interfaces such as ChatGPT and its successor GPT-4 is transforming our lives in unprecedented ways. From photo recognition apps to self-driving cars and social media algorithms, AI is as ubiquitous as it is influential. Yet with great power comes great responsibility. Concerns are mounting over the potential for AI to disseminate harmful advice or spread misinformation. The ethics and morality of AI are under the spotlight as we grapple with the challenges of a technology that lacks a concept of truth and learns from examples. Just rewind to the third month of 2023. The world was abuzz with discussions about the potential biases AI could reinforce. There were fears that AI could inadvertently perpetuate discrimination and prejudice, simply by learning from the flawed examples set by human society. We also saw the release of the film M3 Gan around the same time. This cinematic portrayal of a humanoid robot with advanced AI capabilities sparked a flurry of debates. While the technology to create a robot like M3 Gan may not exist yet, experts believe that the depicted AI systems are in the works. This raises further questions about the potential consequences of our growing reliance on technology. There's an underlying fear of robots replacing humans, not just in jobs but in personal relationships too. The potential dangers of AI, such as social media addiction and the spread of misinformation, are also a pressing concern. Yet the experts we've consulted maintain that technology itself is neither good nor bad. It's how we, as humans, choose to use it that determines its impact. Ensuring the safe implementation of advanced AI technology, they argue, is paramount. So, what have we learned? AI is a double-edged sword, offering both incredible opportunities and significant challenges. It's already ingrained in our lives, and its future impact on white-collar jobs and societal norms is a topic of intense debate. But perhaps the most crucial takeaway is this: AI is only as good or as bad as the examples it learns from. That puts the onus on us, to provide it with the right examples and to use it responsibly. In the words of Spider-Man's Uncle Ben, with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to develop and deploy AI, we would do well to remember that.